today we are at the Beach Club Resort in Disney World in Florida, and we are looking at the hotel pool here, which is one of the best I've seen in all of Disney World. This is the decorating on the slide. It is a giant pirate ship, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. Let's go check in. So back here where the slide entrance is, there's also another little pool with a little kiddie slide. That's super cool. It's right on the lake. You can see the what is that across there? What's that called? Alright, here is the smaller pool. Up there is the entrance to the slide in the crow's nest. And then over this direction, you can see boardwalk across the way in the lake. And there's just there's the boardwalk across the way. And there's a fun wheel, pirate wheel here to play with. So there's that little pirate wheel. And then here, on the other side, we'll get a little view of the smaller pool. This is like 2 feet deep, almost 3 feet. And you can see over here, there's the little slide here. Okay, right, so at the same way we came out. So up at the crow's nest, there's the slide. You can see it starting right down here, and we do have a video of that to show you. Coming on out this way, we exit to the little kid slide, and the little kids area. One of the many kids pools at this resort. So the Beach Club is legitimately one of my favorite DVC resorts. I believe they also have regular hotel rooms here as well. My children just adore the swimming pool. And it is exclusively for the yacht and beach club guests. Right, so one of the coolest things about this area is that the bottom is covered in sand. There is like a sand area over here where you can actually play in the sand, in the water. It's really amazing. So that's this area here. And then over on this side, there is a hot tub. One of the many, and then this here is the lazy river, and it goes from 6 to 8 feet, I believe, depending on where you are. A very deep lazy river. And this is a continuation of it over here. And let's go up into the little island in the middle so you can see the lazy river all the way around. Okay. Here we are looking down at the lazy river. This pool area alone is just about 3 acres. So it really is just massive. And in my opinion, the best swimming pool in all of the DVC resorts. maybe all of Disney World, honestly. There is the rest of the Lazy River. They do have tubes that you can go on here as well. There's no one in right now because it's about 45 degrees outside, but it is very, very cool. There's our beautiful windmill, and it's actually turning. Okay, over this way. Now this is all one continuous pool. You can swim through basically the whole thing except for over where the sand is. You can't get there without getting out from here. This might be a good view here by the volleyball pit of the sand at the bottom of the pool. You can see here. So there's that, and then over here on this side. And over here is another hot tub, and there is the 18 and older hot tub. We'll go walk over there as well. Alright. That waterfall is actually coming out of the tub. So here we've got some lockers, which I don't know if anyone uses. I've never seen anyone use them. Okay, so this is the 18 and older hot tub here. And then just around the corner here is the family hot tub. That would be right up here. And then from the hot tub, there's a cute little area over this way. This is shallower right here, and then it goes deep. There's the bridge we just crossed over there. Now, moving along this way, there is so much pool here and so many places to sit. There's one more space around this corner before we get back to the area with the sandcastle building. And there you can see a little bit of it there. And there is just another little hidden cove with another waterfall coming out of the hot tub area. And now we'll head over to the whirlpool and where the slide comes down. Alright, and over this way we have the volleyball course that we walked past earlier with the sand covered bottom, which does cover almost the whole pool. Over this way we've got some more. So at this pool they do have areas that have sand and like lounge chairs, and then areas with no sand and the lounge chairs. So if you really don't like sand, there are other places to go. Alright, over here is the whirlpool. Here. But my kids love going around and around in this one. I'm coming! It's actually quite fun. About 3.5 to 4 feet deep. And then over here is where that slide comes out. Really the coolest pool in all of Disney World. There's where the slide comes up, right there. Now, as always at the DVC resorts, there are complimentary life jackets here at this pool as well. There is a gym here at the beach club. And they call it Shift Shape. Let's see if we can get in here. Alright. Here is Beaches and Cream Soda Shop. This is one of our favorite places to eat. They have hamburgers and fries here and amazing ice cream. Here you can also order the kitchen sink, which is 8 scoops of ice cream, all the toppings, and an entire can of whipped cream. How do you stick to this room here?
Family said they're gonna eat it all. Give them a round of applause!
Okay, let's move on to inside the resort and see what we have. This is one of my favorite sitting areas. It's so bright and beautiful. It's almost like a library, but like a beachy library. Amazing. Okay, this is the drawing room, and here they have a big TV and pool, and it's a little bit like a community room here. Nothing's going on in here right now, but again, just a nice room to relax in. Okay, right in here is the marketplace. This is where you can get food. This is where you can fill your drink cups. Right over here, they do not have the freestyle machines. And then in just the normal kind of snacks, little things you might need in your everyday like stuff kitchen. And then the gift shop is also in here. This is a very large gift shop. With all the same kind of stuff that we see at the other gift shops. Oh, look how cute this pillow is. Aw, love it. Okay. This is the cute little castle place that they have for the 50th right now. So that is the marketplace. It goes in one side and out into the lobby on the other side. Okay, in here is the Solarium. This is just another nice place to sit.
I'm not sure if you can walk outside that far.
Lots of beautiful windows, lots of natural light during the day. And this is another nice, quiet place to relax. And here we are. Very large television set. Beautiful big room. So there's that.